Yes, the Supreme Court would have the power to come in and intervene. Again, if you will remember, that additional power given to the Supreme Court to intervene when there is a grave abuse of discretion on any branch of government or any action of government officials. That is a new provision in the 87 Constitution. So, in effect, that expanded the power of the Supreme Court. And to a large extent, the reason for that is to disable the Supreme Court from reneging on the exercise of its checking power on certain political questions. So the power is there for the Supreme Court to intervene. But whether they will intervene, if they intervene at what stage of the process, that is another question.
As a former Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, how does the Supreme Court determine that? When they will intervene and at what point?
The court will consider all the factors that are relevant. Let us remember that the Supreme Court is the highest court of the land. And so it's composed of 15 justices with different philosophy, different minds. In other words, 15 republics. And so we cannot expect the High Court to act in haste. And that should be. Some would say that the Supreme Court as the ultimate arbiter of what is the law of the land has the right to be wrong. But the Supreme Court would rather be right, not just has the right to be wrong. And our constitutional process see to it that you don't hurry up the High Court in deciding this very important constitutional issues. In fact, the constitutional structure is to give all the time to the Supreme Court to think about the issues and all their ramifications. So we do not know what will be the temper of the Supreme Court.
So bottom line po, this can take a lot of time and we do not know when they can come out with a decision if someone were to question, for example, this remand order in the Supreme Court.
Yes, it can take a lot of time.